Okay, this is flooring day. We started 2.5 hours ago, 3 hours ago, putting the first floor section in, which is like this size. Has like a backing at the back as well, so it has a nice soft step on it. So yeah, we did the kitchen. The kitchen's almost completely done. We just have a few edgings to do, and the living room is more than halfway done. I guess the complex stuff is coming up over here where there's an angle on the floor. So that will take a little bit longer, but I think in the next couple hours we're going to have a lot of progress here. So it might be, I don't know if they're going to do a really late night tonight and get this all done, but if it's not done tonight, then tomorrow morning, probably by noon for sure, this is done. It's okay. Don't let me get in the way of production. So yeah, pretty happy. The floor looks really good. I like it. It's quite a mess though. There's so much stuff in here right now, part of the building process. But I just have to make sure that as soon as it's in, we put some kind of protection on the floor so people don't just make a mess of it. But it is really good material, so we shouldn't have that kind of an issue.